There are three financial risks that quietly impact millions of families every year: funeral expenses, retirement income shortfalls, and losing a home due to an unexpected death. In this short overview, I'll explain how families prepare for each one. According to the National Funeral Directors Association, the median cost of a funeral with burial is over $8,000, and that doesn't include cemetery costs, flowers, or unpaid medical bills. These expenses are typically due immediately and often fall on children or surviving spouses during an already emotional time. Final expense life insurance is designed specifically to cover funeral and end of life costs. It's permanent coverage with fixed payments, and the payout goes directly to the beneficiary, usually within days of approval after death. These plans often start around $20 a month, and the goal is simple: to prevent funeral debt and family stress. Another major risk is retirement income uncertainty. Many retirement accounts, like traditional 401ks and IRAs, are fully taxable when withdrawn. On top of that, market downturns can reduce income during the exact years retirees need stability the most. An indexed universal life policy, or IUL, is a permanent life insurance product that builds cash value tied to a market index without directly investing in the market. Many policies include downside protection features, meaning negative market years may not reduce principal due to policy floors. When structured properly, policy loans can potentially provide tax-free retirement income. Over 2.5 million people pass away in the US each year. When that happens, mortgage payments don't stop, but income often does. Mortgage protection coverage is designed to ensure the home can be paid off or payments maintained if a primary income earner passes away. Each of these strategies addresses a different financial risk. Funeral coverage protects your family immediately. An IUL can help build tax-efficient income. Mortgage protection protects the home. The right plan depends on your age, health, goals, and budget. The purpose of our call is simple: to determine what you qualify for, what it would cost, and whether it makes sense for you. If you'd like to review your options, reply with a day and time that works best for you, and we'll schedule that brief call.